right, everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready. Let's do it.
Awesome. So today we're tackling something that I think is going to be pretty mind-blowing. AI chatbots.
Okay.
But not just like your run-of-the-mill,
Right.
ChatGPT.
Yeah.
We're talking about like a whole new level. What if we could have an AI that was actually truly personalized?
Oh, I like where this is going.
An AI that actually uses your information to help you out, your data, your documents, everything.
Yeah. It's funny you should say that because, we've all played around with ChatGPT.
Oh, yeah.
And it's amazing, don't get me wrong.
Sure.
But you run into these limitations. Like, sometimes the answers it gives, it's like, wait a minute, is that really true?
Yeah.
Like, it's clearly pulling from some outdated source or something.
It's like it's stuck in 2023 or something.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it. It's like it has this knowledge cutoff and it can't access anything beyond that. So if you're trying to get its take on something that just happened, forget about it.
Exactly. So how do we get past that? How do we fix this?
Well, that's what's so exciting about this new thing we're diving into. It's called RAC, Retrieval Augmented Generation.
Okay, RAC.
Yeah. And it's basically, think of it this way. Instead of relying on some fixed data set
Right.
that may or may not be up to date, RAC lets the AI access your data in real time.
Well, hold on. Real time.
Oh.
So it's like it has a direct line to my brain, but in like a good way.
Haha. That's actually a fantastic analogy because, yeah, it's using your information. So
Okay.
it's going to give you way more accurate, way more relevant responses, no more generic fluff, no more outdated facts. It's all tailored to you.
This is incredible. But okay, if it's using my data, I mean, doesn't that mean I really need to be careful about what I'm giving it? Like, what if it's all junk?
You're absolutely right. It's a classic case of garbage in, garbage out, right?
Yep.
You've got to be mindful of the quality of your data, the relevance. Make sure it's stuff you actually trust and want the AI to learn from.
So it's not just this magical thing where I can dump anything in and it'll, create brilliance. It takes some work on my end.
Definitely. But the payoff is huge. I mean, think about it. Imagine you're working on a project.
Right.
And you need some help brainstorming. You can feed all your notes, your research, your documents into this AI powered by RAC, and it can help you come up with ideas you never would have thought of on your own.
Okay, so help me understand this. How does it actually work? I mean, is it really like reading all my files like a human would?
Not exactly. So it uses these things called embeddings.
Embeddings.
Yeah. Think of them like digital fingerprints for every piece of your information.
Okay.
So instead of having to read through everything, the AI can just use these embeddings to instantly find what's relevant to your query. It's like super fast, super efficient searching.
Oh, okay. That makes a lot more sense. So it's not like I have to like pre-process everything.
Right. No, not at all.
It's all happening.
Behind the scenes.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So I keep thinking about the possibilities here. And, you mentioned automation earlier.
Yeah.
I want to dive into that a little bit more.
Okay. Yeah.
Because, I'm always looking for ways to make things more efficient.
Ozen.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So imagine this. You're drowning in emails.
Oh, tell me about it.
Right. You've got meeting notes piling up. You're like, there's just not enough time in the day. Well, with RAC, you can have an AI that drafts emails for you based on your previous conversations.
Whoa.
It could summarize those lengthy meeting notes, even generate code based on your specific requirements.
It's like having like a super efficient personal assistant.
Yeah.
But one that knows you inside and out.
Exactly. That's the power of personalization, right?
Yeah.
It's not just any assistant. It's yours.
It's amazing. I'm sold. Where can I get this?
Yeah. Well, the great news is you don't have to wait for the future.
Yeah.
There are tools out there right now.
Yeah. There's Cassidy AI, which is a paid service.
Okay.
It's got some really advanced features. But if you're looking for something free to get started with, Google actually has a tool called NotebookLM.
NotebookLM.
Yeah. And that's a great way to kind of dip your toes in the water and see what RAC is all about.
So, I mean, if someone's hearing about this for the first time, what's like the most exciting thing they could do with these tools, do you think?
Ooh, that's a good question. I would say start by connecting it to some of your own data.
Oh.
With maybe a project you're working on
Yeah.
or a topic you're researching, and just start asking it questions.
Yeah.
See how it uses your information to give you personalized, insightful answers. You'll be blown away.
So, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
We've learned that RAC is like AI on steroids.
Huh?
It's taking things to a whole new level by using our own data
Right.
for more accurate, personalized responses. It's like having, like we said, a custom-built AI assistant.
Absolutely.
And the possibilities, I mean, they really are just mind-blowing.
Yeah. It's one of those technologies that just makes you think like, okay, the future is here, and it's up to us to decide how we're going to use it.
Absolutely. And you know what? That's a perfect segue into our final thought for today.
Yeah.
If you could design an AI that perfectly understood your data and needs, what would it be capable of? I mean, what problems could it solve for you?
Ooh, great question.
Yeah. Think about that.
Yeah.
Let us know what you come up with. We'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep.
And keep your data clean.
Yes. Clean data, good AI. See y'all next time.
See ya.